Jesus Christ.
You're fine.
I'm trying to find the shortest line I can.
Oh, Kurt, you're funny.
Oh, shut up.
Alright, here we go.
Okay. Wow. Wow.
You gonna be okay?
Nope, let's do this.
Are you alright?
Let's do this.
Okay, and look at me real quick.
I'm good.
The minute you feel dizzy, nauseous, lightheaded, I'm not even shitting you.
I know, I fainted
You
before.
tell me.
I'll tell you.
Because I don't want you to have this down your arm because
Okay,
you went
okay.
flop, okay?
Okay. No, I'm good. It's not as bad as I thought.
Good.
It's more pressure and ouchie.
Pressure and ouchie is different?
Yes.
Oh, he's fine. You're good.
Yay, I'm good. Fucking A. Cotton. Jesus